eToro is a fully regulated, leading global assets trading platform with a focus on cryptocurrencies. eToro is feature packed, however, it's more suitable for traders rather than for true Bitcoin adopters. I'm Nate Martin, and we're talking about eToro in our 2-minute review. Launched in 2007, eToro is a trading company that puts an emphasis on cryptocurrency, and to date boasts more than 24 million users worldwide. eToro is mostly known for its trading platform eToro.com, a feature-packed trading platform for investing in cryptocurrencies. Unlike other trading platforms, eToro.com allows you to follow and copy other traders, a useful feature for beginners. In fact, you could even get paid by allowing other users to copy your trades. Another interesting feature is the Smart Portfolio, which basically allows you to invest long-term in a portfolio of the most popular cryptocurrencies, and with no fees. eToro also offers plenty of advanced trading tools such as stop loss, take profit, and set orders that execute automatically according to a coin's price. On the negative side, our team found the platform more suitable for speculation since it's difficult to actually access your assets. For the most part, withdrawing your crypto would require you to trade them for fiat first. Additionally, when it comes to fees, there are less expensive alternatives for making your trades. The second product eToro offers is a cryptocurrency wallet. The wallet is available for iOS and Android and allows you to swap between cryptocurrencies and transfer funds, including withdrawing crypto from your trading account. However, depositing crypto into your wallet can't be done directly, so in order to add to your holdings, you'll need to first add fiat to your balance and then convert that into crypto. Finally, eToro offers eToro X, a fully regulated cryptocurrency exchange that, unlike eToro.com, allows you to easily access and withdraw the assets you're trading. You can read our full review of eToro X on 99bitcoins.com. Overall, eToro does a great job allowing people to trade cryptocurrencies with ease and confidence, while leaving a bit to be desired in terms of fees and accessing your funds. Make it 4.2 stars from us here at 99bitcoins, as we consider it an easy and reliable place for beginners to get started with trading. Have you used any of eToro's services? Let us know what you think in the comments below. That's today's 2-minute crypto review. For our in-depth review, visit the link in the description, and I'll see you in a bit. If you've enjoyed this video, leave us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss a review, news update, or the clearest information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies anywhere.